Hello, friends. Went through a couple of rough patches, but God has been with us. They say when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So I have to get up and go and do some shopping for some grocery items. Then we'll return and make this pot full of finger-licking goodness. Yes, cassava leaves too. Yeah, I'm going to a couple of my favorite places to shop for groceries, especially fresh produce. So I'd like you to come along with me. I'll pick up a few things and we will get cooking. Let's go. And it turns out on this occasion that I have a few dishes to prepare. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I make a big pot of cassava stew for meal prepping with new tips, friends, that I feel you'll find useful in upgrading your cassava stew making game. So I bought some oxtail, which I have washed thoroughly with some salt, lots of water, and vinegar, and applied the same treatment to my skinless goat meat. We will cook the meat with 1 large chopped onion, half tablespoon crushed white pepper, half teaspoon aniseed powdered. Add almost all the salt you have eyeballed for the cooking of your sauce right now so that your meat is seasoned well. Also go in with bouillon if you like to cook with that. I use vegetable bouillon and went in with 2 habanero chilies and I splitted them open. Then begin to stir to make sure that your ingredients are well distributed. Then set it on the stove on medium heat. Place the lid on and cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes. The meat will release its own juices as you see right now. After stirring, leave to cook with the lid on low heat for the next 15 minutes. So this is what the packaged cassava leaves look like from your African and or Caribbean store. It comes frozen, so allowed to defrost. And yes, it comes already blended and ready to use. The rest of our ingredients are smoked herrings. I have 2 cups of that, 2 cups of smoked fish. You need palm oil and I poured half a cup of it. And to richen the sauce up, you need 4 heaping tablespoonfuls of roasted peanut butter. This here is ogiri, which is fermented and roasted sesame seeds. It is very pungent in aroma and offers loads of umami to the pot. Now, many will argue that ogiri should not be substituted. But if you must, you can use miso paste, fish sauce, shrimp paste, and any umami ingredient you like to use. I have added the peanut butter, followed by a little bit of okra, followed by my smoked fish and herrings. And now for the okra, I had 6 fingers of it and chopped it up. The role the okra plays here is offer a slight bit of much needed slipperiness in the sauce, and that's because cassava leaves tend to be very dry and tend to require a significant amount of cooking time plus loads of moisture and steam to cook all the way through. Now, the okra helps to retain some of that moisture, and that slipperiness is a must-have in this sauce. I have added the cassava leaves and added a little bit more of some water, about a cup, and stirred it in. Leave it to cook with the lid on low heat for about 30 minutes. And during that time, the meat will continue to tenderize and the sauce becomes creamy. And then you want to go in with your palm oil. Now, I have tried making the sauce before without the palm oil, and I tell you what, the palm oil makes a huge difference. It's like a brilliant way of finishing this sauce. It's an excellent way of rounding all the flavors up and bringing that robust, deeply Africanized flavor. So you must have it in there. I recommend it. Cover it up and continue to cook for the next 30 more minutes. The longer you cook the sauce, the more developed the flavors will become, and it should be creamy, cooked through, and ready to be served with the preferred side of steamed rice. Friends, this sauce is great also for meal prepping. I hope that you pick up a few tips here to better and upgrade your cassava leaf stew making game. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen.
Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.